this series. So on today's video, a lot of you have been complaining that your face looks dark than other parts of your body, or your face is always looking so dry, dull, and not moisturized, and you wish to start incorporating face serum into your skincare routine but stay confused because you don't know the particular face serum that is going to be suitable for your skin type. I'm going to be sharing with you all today one secret in getting a rich, glowy skin. So guys, if you're ready, as I am ready, of course, get your popcorn, stick around with me and keep watching. Make sure you watch this video right to the very end. If anyone should tell you that face serum is not of great importance to your skincare routine, to your face,
my dear, they are lying to you.
In choosing a face serum, you need to consider some factors such as your skin type. You need to know your skin type. Do you have an oily face? Do you have a dry face? Do you have a combination skin? Do you have a normal skin? Or do you have a sensitive skin? So these are some of the factors you need to consider before going ahead to buy a particular face serum for your face. The reason why Dr. Rashel face serum is making your face go dark is because you are not getting it right. You need to get it right for a product to work on your skin. Now, let's look at some of the benefits of face serum. Face serum is of great importance to your skincare routine. A face serum is a concentrated, fast-absorbing liquid. Underline that word, concentrated. The word concentrated rings the bell. So it contains an active ingredient that would penetrate right into your skin to deliver its benefits. Now, in choosing a face cream, you need to consider your skin type, not just your skin type. You need to consider some of the ingredients contained in the particular face serum you're about to use on your face. As I earlier said, if you don't know your skin type, you continue getting it all wrong. So you need to know your skin type before going ahead to choose a particular face serum to use on your skin. Basically, we have 5 types of skin type. We have the normal skin, we have the dry skin, we have the oily skin, we have the combination skin, and we have the sensitive skin. Now, first of all, let's start with the normal skin type. A normal skin type person is someone with no major skin issue, with no major skin concern. Like you don't have pimples, you don't have acne, you don't have dark spots, you don't have oily face, you don't have dry face. Your face is just normal, but you just wish to use a face serum that is going to brighten your face. So ingredients you're going to be looking out for in purchasing your face serum, like the vitamin C. For example, this is the half-cast vitamin C serum. This is going to be very, very suitable for people with normal skin. People with normal skin, people without any skin concern, people without any skin issue, people that does not have pimples or acne on their face. If you have pimples or acne on your face, please don't even near anything vitamin C, because it's going to break you more out. It's going to break you out more. You'll be wondering, why am I using vitamin C serum and it's breaking me out? If you have a normal skin and you just want to brighten your face, you can go ahead and use the vitamin C face serum. It's going to brighten your face and work very, very well on your face. This half-cast vitamin C serum is a very, very nice one. But if you can't find the half-cast vitamin C serum, you can go ahead and look for this particular one. This is the ROUSHUN vitamin C serum. Aside from this, we also have other ones such as the Dr. Rashel vitamin C serum, or you can go for the Estelin vitamin C serum. So any of these vitamin C face serum should be your best friend if you have a normal skin, because it's going to help to hydrate, plump, and nourish your skin. Not just that, it's also going to help to brighten your skin. And this right here, the half-cast vitamin C serum, is going to help to boost your collagen level. Vitamin C serum should be your best friend if you have a normal skin. Now, the second skin type we're going to be talking about today is the people with oily skin. How do you identify people with oily skin? Those are people that their face is always looking so oily all the time. Let's say, for example, after having your bath, highest in less than an hour, your face will fill with oil, like someone that applied groundnut oil. So that is how to identify one with oily face. People with oily skin are always prone to acne, pimples, dark spots. In choosing your face serum, you need to be looking out for some ingredients like salicylic acid, tea tree, that is going to help to reduce the accumulation of oils on your face. Examples of serums under these categories for people who have oily face include the Balance Active Formula Face Serum. This particular face serum contains two main ingredients, which is the salicylic acid and the zinc. And as we all know that salicylic acid is very, very good for acne-prone skin people. So this particular serum is going to help to minimize the appearance of pores on your face. Another example of serums you can incorporate to your skincare routine is the T3 Estelin Salicylic Acid. This is a pictorial view of what it looks like. So this particular face serum promises to refine pores, reduce the appearance of blackheads, improve skin roughness, and it's also going to help to calm your acne because of the salicylic acid contained in this particular serum. Another good example of serum under this category is the Face Renewing Face Serum that contains 10% AHA and 2% BHA. This particular face serum is going to help to brighten and nourish your skin. The last one here is the Facefact Lactic Acid Face Serum. All these face serum I just listed now are going to be very, very suitable for oily prone skin. Remember, in choosing your face serum, there are some ingredients you need to be looking out for, of which salicylic acid, zinc, lactic acid is among the ingredients you need to be looking out for if you have an oily skin. All these face serum I just listed now are specifically going to help to control sebum production, minimize pores, and as well minimize acne, the third type of skin, which is the dry skin. So for a dry skin person, in choosing your face serum, you need to consider ingredients or serum that is going to help to nourish, hydrate, and moisturize your face. And examples of serum under these categories include 1. The Estelin B5 Ceramide Face Serum. Another example is the VITA B3 Face Serum. I'm going to leave a pictorial view of these two serums I just listed here now. So if you have a dry skin, you need to pick out one out of these serums and start incorporating it to your skincare routine. So any of these face serum I just listed now, if you can lay your hands on any of them, start making use of it, use it on your face, it's going to help to hydrate, nourish, and moisturize your face. So moving on to the fourth skin type, which is the combination skin. So how do you identify one? How do you identify people with combination skin? A combination skin type is one who has both oily and dry skin at the same time. Most people with combination skin, if you notice, their nose and their forehead are always looking oily, while their cheeks and their jaw are always looking so dry. That is to tell you that they are combination skin. So if you fall under this category, you need to start incorporating face serum that contain what? That contain niacinamide. Example of serum under these categories include this. Dr. Rashel White Skin Face Serum. This particular face serum contains niacinamide and is going to go well for people with combination skin. Another one you can try out is the Illuminating Face Serum by the Beauty Formula. This face serum is going to help to brighten and even out your skin because it contains niacinamide, and niacinamide is always very, very good in skin brightening. Another example is the Estelin Niacinamide Face Serum. This face serum is very, very good for combination skin type. The last but not the least is the sensitive skin type. People with sensitive skin are those who always react to products so easily. Be it soap, be it oily, be it cream, be it lotion, like anything at all. They react to things so easily. Those are the people we refer to as sensitive skin. And people with this type of skin need to be very, very careful in picking a skincare product to use on their skin. So for a sensitive skin person, in choosing your face serum, you need to choose face serum that does not have fragrance, face serum that is so calm, shooting, so as to minimize irritation of your skin. So examples of serum under these categories include Facefact hyaluronic acid face serum. I'm going to leave a picture of it somewhere here. Another examples of serum under this category is the Pymai hyaluronic acid face serum. So guys, I've come to the end of today's video on the best face serum you can incorporate to your skincare routine to help brighten and even out your skin tone according to your skin type. So my love, if you find this video helpful or valued, please do not forget to give it a huge thumbs up, like and subscribe. Please help this small channel by liking this video, comment, and of course subscribe for more skincare tips. I'm gonna be seeing you guys on my next one. Until then, remain blessed. Bye.